I want to talk to you about the multiplication property of -1. All right, it is exactly what it sounds like. Multiplication means you're multiplying by -1. That's it. So this is something most of you know how to do, but it's also a core property in multiplication, one of the 3 core properties. I've got videos on the other 2. I don't want to spoil the surprise, okay? But what it means is whenever you multiply times -1, so if you got 3 times -1, that's our money one right there. That's what we're talking about. It's always going to be the inverse of that. It's going to be that same number with the opposite sign, okay? That's it. That's the multiplication property of -1. It means all you're going to do, anytime you multiply something times -1, all you're doing is flipping the sign. That's it. Okay, it's whatever that is, but as either the opposite of the positive negative. Easy way to do it is you're either turning a negative to a positive or positive to a negative. Just switching it, okay? So let's look at it here. We've got a positive 3 times -1. What's the opposite of the positive? It's a negative. You're just flipping it. So say you got -1 times -2. -1, 1 times 2 is 2, so we know that's always 2. But what it does is it flips the sign. So now instead of this being a positive or a negative, it's going to be a positive 2. So we've got -3 times -1. Still going to be 3, and that is going to flip the sign. That becomes a positive. Say -1 times 8. That's a positive 8. Now it becomes a -8. And that's the multiplication property of -1. You just flip the sign. Take the same number, flip the sign. That's it. Oh, hey, it's me, Michael Jordan, Shoemaker. I want you to know that if you don't click that little circle there to subscribe, then you won't ever find your true love. That's a fact. It's like an email chain letter. If you're not 45 years old, you will not get that joke. Not important. But click that. Anyways, I'll wait.